Hey guys, Richard here for the School of Nomads. So in this review I want to take you through a product called Cyclone. Now in a nutshell, Cyclone is a completely done for you system that allows you to make money from affiliate marketing with very little effort. So during this review I'm going to take you through the whole product. I'll take you through each of the different parts of the product and explain to you why there's certain things on this product that I think are not going to work, especially if you're a beginner. Now again, these reviews are based on my own opinion, having spent many years online buying products just like this one. And the aim of these reviews is to give you a little bit more information to allow you to make a more informed decision before you go ahead and buy any of these types of products online. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So Cyclone is due to be released on Thursday the 9th of July at 11 AM and it comes from Venkata Ramana, Mark Bishop and Al Cheeseman. So what we're going to do, we'll go through the product, I'll take you through the members area, we'll have a quick look at the sales page, I'll take you through the upgrades, I'll try and explain what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product, and then we'll kind of go through a summary. And again, based on my own opinion, you guys can take that information and use it however you want. So the sales page talks about an all-in-one self-perpetuating revenue system and it generates income for you, multiple done-for-you revenue packages, viral traffic builder, secret stealth mode generates revenue on autopilot, 0 monthly fees or overhead costs, and 100% beginner friendly. So let's jump straight over to the members area and I'll kind of show you around a little bit. So I'm over in the members area. Now one thing is kind of an aside on this. This is exactly the same product as a product called Expansion that one of the vendors actually released a couple of months ago with somebody else. So whether this is a re-release or they've just repackaged it in a different way, this looks exactly the same product to me. So even to the point where these so-called revenue packs, which are actually affiliate products, are all the same. So there you go, a slight aside. Now this is a cloud-based app which is good as far as a newbie is concerned, I guess, because you don't have to buy anything to use it. I don't like these kind of apps because it means that you're not in control of anything that goes on with your own business. So if I did ever create these revenue builders with this page and suddenly the vendors decided in 2 months' time they weren't going to support this anymore, then I'm screwed slightly. So I don't really like them, but you know, that's my own choice. On the left hand side here, you've got the dashboard, which is giving you kind of the total campaigns created, total leads, your membership type, and the total pages available. You have the bonus blocks, which I'll go into, pages, revenue packs, training, autoresponder, and your traffic package here, which are these. This is the way you go ahead and create campaigns to generate traffic, and then some settings. Now, overall, I'm going to take you in this in a slightly different sequence to try and explain what's going on here. So now, before I just go to the traffic, let's have a look at this training video here. If you look at this actual page, it says refer 3 people to earn free traffic software. So this is the page that you would send to somebody to go ahead and get them to opt in and then refer 3 other people, because they get a link that they can then use to refer other people with. Now once these folks have opted in, they immediately start getting emails from the system which are automated that are going to start promoting things to them. And then they'll unlock certain things. Once their link has unlocked 3 people, another email will go out with another link in there which will give them whatever bonus you have created to send them. So you're actually going to send them to this page. Now they go from this page to an actual bonus page and then off to the actual product page. Now this is where the viral piece comes in. They're saying is automated. So there's a couple of pieces of automation on here that they're talking about. One is the fact that it generates viral traffic, potentially, and the other is the fact that the system in stealth mode, which is just an autoresponder, will go ahead and email people for you, which has got its pluses and the minuses. The pluses are you don't have to do it yourself, and these folks know how to generate revenue with email. The minus is you've got no control over what's being sent to them. You can obviously email them yourself, but there's also other emails being sent by the vendor who are also going to promote other things to them, I'm sure. So you have this traffic builder here, and if I go down to the campaigns piece, this is where you would go ahead and create the campaign. So if I just put add campaign here, there's a load of settings here around the name and stuff. Which opt-in page do you actually want them to be sent to? So they get sent to this opt-in page first before the bonus page. You go ahead and you pick one of these. I'm going to say multiple, whatever the hell that is. Just put some other details in here. Redirect link. Prize will be a free telly. Price description will be big telly. And then what will happen here, I'll have to put a link in for the prize there. So if this was some kind of bonus that you were given as a prize, that's where the link to that particular bonus would be, so that when they get to their 6 referrals, they'll immediately get an email in the background that gives them that prize. So press save. And then when I have actually look at this, which is this link here, this is the link that you would go ahead and share to people. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought this is clever because this system somehow, which I've never seen before, is actually generating traffic for you. But no, it's not. It's generating a referral link for you, which you then have to share. So I would share this referral link to somebody. They would then opt in, and then they could use this link to share to others, which I still think is a little bit confusing, because if I got that link and I had that, I'd have no idea what to do with it next. But if they do go ahead and share that and they click on it, they end up at this opt-in page, which then if you go ahead and opt into that, in this case there's no thing page added. Let me have a look at this one. Bonus campaign. There you go. I end up on this page here. If I put another email address in there, they're actually directing me straight to the sales page. But ideally, you would direct them to a bonus page, which they also provide. Okay. The very first part of this done for you funnel is actually sending people this joining link, not actually sending people the opt-in page. So they've got some software in here that allows you to develop these mini campaigns. The actual pages that you can have as far as bonus pages are all here. So if I wanted to go to like the magnetic gold bonuses page, I would come along here and I would view it, and I could use that as one of my bonus pages, which is nice looking. There's no problems with the bonus pages. And I can come along here and I can edit it. Now the editor is like a standard page builder editor, nothing flashy about it, just functional. A little bit clunky, nowhere as good as the page builders I use, but it's fine. I'm not really going to criticize it too much. Now the revenue packs themselves, so the products that you can actually promote are here. Now these are all of the vendors' old products. They all sold pretty well, but you're actually promoting their own products. So this whole thing is a great win-win for them, because you're buying this product to then go ahead and promote their products. So they're pretty much recruiting affiliates by selling this product. But what they're doing on their side is they're providing you the lead pages and the bonus pages to be able to come along and promote this. So the last thing is the bonus blocks piece, and this is one of the upgrades. You can actually go ahead and create more bonus blocks to fit into your bonus page here. So if I look at this test page, these are all blocks that you see here. So you can go ahead and just add different blocks to this particular page. And then of course, once they go through your bonus page, they'll come here and they'll hit that, and then they'll go off to whatever affiliate product, which is obviously Magneto, or magnetic in this case, is attached to it. The funnel would be a standard funnel. You go through a lead page, you go through a bonus page, you go to the actual sales page, and you buy the product. But what they've added here is this weird traffic referral thing, which I think is going to be no good. Obviously, the advantage of having a referral link is that you're getting more and more people to direct people towards your particular links. So you don't have to recruit one person at a time. You're actually getting people to recruit more and more people, and the idea is it gets viral. The issue there is if you're a beginner, you're not going to get anybody clicking on your link. Where are you going to get that traffic from? At the end of the day, this isn't really an automated traffic generating system, because you have to start it somewhere. You have to start one person clicking that link and then be willing to share that link with other people who will then click it, but the whole thing starts with one person clicking it. And I think you're going to find a real problem. Even if you just opted straight into the opt-in pages, which are nice looking on this, you're still going to have the same problem with traffic. So that's kind of the product in a whole. The training is fine. It just goes through the basics. A little bit confusing about where and who delivers what kind of bonus on this. So I'm not a fan about it. So I'm not a real big fan of the product, because I think there is a whole lack of control here about what's actually going on. And although obviously when I'm looking at these particular revenue packs, which are the actual products you promote, all I need to do is add my affiliate link to them. Just go over here and get my link, and I end up going to Mr. Cheeseman's page, and I ask for the affiliate link. I got kind of a lack of control about what happens next. All I know is I have to take that link from my referral link and try and share it with somebody, which sounds easy, but if you value my opinion, I'm telling you it's not. So guys, jumped over to the Cyclone page. Again, I've been through these pieces. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 as usual. The Cyclone revenue packages, which are the vendor's affiliate products. You activate it, and the activation starts the Cyclone free traffic builder. So that is what I read, and I assumed that this was going to do it all for me, which is, I know is not real, because this software doesn't work like that, and it's not a real thing, but it's not. The whole thing is activated, unless somebody tells me different, by you actually sharing that link, or you're in the same boat with anything then. If you haven't got traffic, you haven't got traffic. Don't care what kind of cyclone thing in the background's working. And then you've got the stealth mode, which is basically the email autoresponder built into the system. You can actually put them on your own autoresponder, but the system will still email on your behalf. Again, I'm not sure what those emails are. I haven't read any of them, but they'll be emailing to people that you've recruited. And of course, it gives them the added bonus of being able to market directly to them. So jump down to the revenue packs, which is their affiliate products. These maximum earnings per click are obviously all of the upsells. I'm down on the actual guarantee, 100% guarantee. Apparently they'll give you $100 for wasting your time if you don't get any kind of results. Anyway, and it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So they've got to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. I wouldn't chase it for $100, but if you're not happy with this and you decide to purchase, they're going to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is good. So here are the upgrades. The front end, which they call the core, is $17. The OTO 1 is Storm, which is $67. OTO 2 is Tsunami, which is $67. OTO 3 is Instant Traffic, which is $97. OTO 4 is the agency license of $47. And OTO 5 is 1K every week at $197. But what I'll do, I'll leave you a lot more information about these upgrades. If you are really interested in buying this, I'll leave them in the description below somewhere, so you can go ahead and check out exactly what's included. So what do I like about this? The software obviously works. The training is fine. A little bit confusing about who does what as far as bonuses are concerned, but so the pages look good. They're nice and glossy. I'm not a fan of any done for you stuff. I just think you can just go ahead and do it yourself, but I don't think there's anything wrong with the actual pages they're providing. And there's a 30-day guarantee. Cons, I don't believe you're going to get traffic to this. I think it's the fundamental flaw of any of these kind of shiny object products. I don't care how good it looks, you're going to have a problem getting traffic. This is not unique. This was released about 6 weeks ago with one of these vendors and somebody else, and it looks exactly the same product. Sales page is very misleading. Again, 1, 2, 3, click, click, click. Everything's done for you. Everything's easy. Trust me, it's not. The value claims everything's worth $2,500 and you get it for $17, which is remarkable. So again, I need to understand what is the business here. As far as I can see, the business is paying to be an affiliate for the vendors and spending your time trying to promote a random referral link to people. I don't understand what the long-term vision of my business is if that's what I have to do. Fair enough being an affiliate for the vendors, but you pretty much got no control over any other part of this process. So just think about how you'd actually grow this into a proper business. So guys, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 10. Again, based on my own opinion. I think it's a shiny object. It's aimed at beginners. You can tell that because it's all click, click, click. Everything works really quickly and done for you. You don't have to do any work. So it's obviously aimed at beginners. No traffic solution here. And I think you're going to spend a lot of time setting things up, thinking things will work, and be very disappointed. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell. and I'll let you know whenever I release videos just like this one. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.